Right chaps, first one hopefully is the waterbury. It's from Ed Smiley. No key with this. Chunky little bugger, and on the back it says US set. Now I don't know what that stands for, what the set stands for, but anyway, and it's a right tight little tiny keyway in this. So let's go for it. Try and not catch the first pin with the wrench, otherwise never get it set. And I'll work his way in. So easy to overset a pin just by going over it in this bloody keyway. Little bugger. Mind you, Ed doesn't like sending easy stuff out. You have to work for it. Gotcha. Whew. I'm guessing it's a key retainer this, because you can't return the keyway back until the shackle's put in, and then you can return it. There you go. Number one, Ed. Cheers, mate. That was a cracker, that. Waterbury, US set. Nice pick, that. Cheers, buddy.